3D translation. 3D translation in computer graphics refers to the process of moving an object in a three-dimensional space. Translation is achieved by transforming each point in the object using a translation matrix. Here is an example to demonstrate 3D translation in computer graphics. Suppose we have a cube with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1 and 3, 3, 3, and we want to translate it along the x-axis by a distance of 2 units. The steps to perform the translation would be as follows. Represent the original cube by its vertices in a 3D coordinate system. Define the direction and the distance of translation, in this case the x-axis and a distance of 2 units. For each vertex in the cube, transform its coordinates using the 3D translation matrix. X is equal to x plus dx. Y is equal to y. Z is equal to z. Where x, y, z are the original coordinates of the vertex, x, y, z are the translated coordinates and dx is the translation distance along the x-axis. Plot the translated cube using the updated vertices. Repeat the translation as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 3D translation is a fundamental operation that is used in many different applications, including 3D modeling, animation, and virtual reality. The simplicity and versatility of the 3D translation operation make it an important tool for a wide range of computer graphics applications. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.